Catch me if you can. Once upon a time in a quaint village, and in a cozy little cottage, lived an old woman with her husband. They had no children. She was known throughout the village for her extraordinary baking skills, especially her delicious gingerbread men. One day, she decided to bake a special gingerbread man, hoping to bring joy to her and the children in the village. As she mixed and rolled out the dough, she whispered a secret wish. May this special gingerbread man bring happiness to all of us in the world. She meticulously and carefully shaped the dough into a jolly figure, complete with icing for a cheerful smile. She crafted him with chocolate chips for eyes and a cherry for a nose, and soon he was slid in the oven, for turning golden brown. As the gingerbread man baked to perfection, a tantalizing aroma wafted through the village, enticing everyone. When she opened the oven door, the gingerbread man sprang to life, jumped and dashed out of the house, exclaiming, "Run, run, as fast as you can. Catch me if you can, for I'm the gingerbread man." The gingerbread man ran through the village, spreading laughter and excitement. Children chased after him, giggling with glee. The gingerbread man led them on a merry chase, through the streets, dodging and dribbling, singing and enchanting, "Run, run, as fast as you can. Catch me if you can, for I'm the gingerbread man." The gingerbreadman sprinted through the village, evading the baker, the butcher, and the milkman, all of whom tried to catch him to eat, boasting with his song, "Run, run, as fast as you can. Catch me if you can, for I'm the gingerbread man." Eventually he reached the edge of the village whereby at river bank, he encountered a sly fox. The fox, known for his cunning, said, "I can help you escape. Hop onto my back, and I will carry you across the river." But just as the gingerbread man was about to hop on, as suddenly sensing a sign of danger to be beaten and eaten, he simply said, "Thanks, but no thanks." Once again boasting and blasting the fox with his favorite song, "Run, run, as fast as you can. Catch me if you can, for I'm the gingerbread man." While running backwards, he remembered of the kind old woman who had baked him. He thought about how lonely she must be, baking cookies with no one to share them. With a sudden change of heart, the gingerbread man decided to return to her. He turned around and headed back to the village. He ran past the milkman, the butcher, and the baker, all of whom tried to catch him once again. But this time, the gingerbread man was more faster and most determined than ever before. Finally, he reached the elderly woman's house. She was sitting on the porch with her husband, looking sad and lonely. This time he sang loudly, "Run, run, as fast as you can. Only, you can catch me, if I can, for I'm your gingerbread man." But this time, he slowed down and stopped right in front of her door. As the old couple took the first sight of the gingerbread man's flight, their faces lit up with happiness and delight. The gingerbread man's sweetness and smile filled their hearts with joy, and they all hugged each other tight. "Oh, my sweet gingerbread man, you came back for me," she exclaimed, tears of happiness run down in her eyes. "Yes, I did, and I realized that I do belong here with you," said the gingerbread man. I don't want to run away from you anymore. Let's go on with the adventures of life together." They set off on many adventures together, exploring the village and beyond. The woman baked delicious treats, and the gingerbread man brought joy to everyone they met, with his lively spirit and daring escapades. Together, they became a beloved duo in the village, always bringing laughter and sweetness wherever they went, and whoever they met. The gingerbread man never ran away again, for he had found a true home and a loving companion in the old woman who had crafted and baked him. And so, the gingerbread man never ever said, "Catch me if you can," to the old woman. They lived happily ever after, enjoying their adventurous and delicious treats with the entire world. If you like the story, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for listening.